During the May Day holiday, various ports between Shenzhen and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region experienced a surge in two-way traffic. Data shows that during a 5-day holiday starting on April the 29th, the number of border crossings in major Shenzhen ports exceeded 2.47 million. On April the 13th, there were about 634,000 border crossings, setting a new record since the Chinese mainland fully resumed normal travel with Hong Kong starting February the 6th.
4月29日至5月2日呢，罗湖口岸出入境客流累计超63万人次。4月30日呢，单日的出入境客流超18万人次，再次刷新了罗湖口岸恢复通关以来单日的出入境客流记录。
现在可能我们这开关了吧？开关了，现在互动的人都比较很多了。满足措施可能大家把这么的经济推向好一点了。
我觉得现在很多地方走，很多地方玩，然后我觉得都比香港还多东西吃，所以我们都很喜欢过来玩。
As the high-speed railway services between Hong Kong and the mainland fully resumed in April, the West Kowloon Station, terminus of the Hong Kong section of the Guangzhou-Shenzhen-Hong Kong Express Rail Link, was packed with people during the holiday.
高铁开通以后很方便嘛，然后因为本身也很快，10几分钟，对，然后通关的话，可能5一的人会多到一点，但正常的还是很丝滑、很顺的。
晚上就回来。
对，晚上就回来的，对，我们就来逛半天这样。